everyone, this is Natalie at Leaders RPM in Kalamazoo, Michigan. If you're looking for an ATV that can handle work during the week and trail rides during the weekends, this one checks all the boxes. This is the 2026 Can-Am Outlander Max XT 700 in the Scandi Blue. This ATV is powered by the Rotax Ace 700, putting out 50 horsepower. One thing that people really like about the Outlander is the driving assistance system. You have work, standard, and sport mode, each adjusting how the machine responds. In work mode, throttle response is more controlled, which is perfect for doing chores around the property, plowing, or towing. Standard mode is your everyday setting. It's balanced and comfortable for trail riding and general use. When you switch into sport mode, the throttle response is more aggressive. It's also equipped with selectable two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive in addition to Can-Am's Visco Auto Lock differential, so traction is there when you need it. It's riding on 26-inch XPS Trail Force tires and 14-inch aluminum wheels. The XT package comes equipped with a 3,500-pound winch, front and rear bumpers, a full skid plate, and a 2-inch hitch receiver. The towing capacity is just over 1,800 pounds, and you have plenty of capacity on the front and rear racks, in addition to the ability to add link storage and accessories to it. Since it's the Max model, it's designed to safely carry a passenger. It comes with the factory-installed passenger seat, grab handles, and footwells, so it's perfect for two-up riding. You also get some really practical conveniences like the front storage box, a premium glove box with phone holder, USB-A and USB-C charging, and a 4.5-inch digital display. Whether you're using it for work, trail riding, or a little bit of both, the Can-Am Outlander Max XT 700 is a great all-around ATV. If you're interested in learning more about this Can-Am Outlander, feel free to visit us, Leaders RPM in Kalamazoo, Michigan, or check us out on the website, leadersrpm.com. Our phone number is 269-372-1072. We look forward to seeing you.